Okay, so I've got another sort of novelty souvenir thing for you. Well, I guess this piece of the sheath just broke off, so as you can see, maybe, no, it's not going to focus because my head's in the way. Okay, there you can see, maybe it says Toledo on it. I don't really even remember how I got this knife, or not knife, but miniature sword, kind of. On God. Could you imagine if people dueled that way? Like with their pinky out? So on the blade it also says Toledo over here. I don't think you can see it though. No. Alright, well anyway, that's it. Really short video. I'm gonna have to glue this piece back on that broke off. Nice workmanship on the handle though. I mean, it was done by a machine, but still looks nice. See you next time.